Hello friends, my name is Harish. Welcome in my video series on shell script. So in this video I'll explain how to use case in. So I'll open my another terminal here for writing the program, and this is to run my program. So first I'll just create one empty file, casein.sh. so file has been created here, so this one is created. Now here I'll go in that file casein.sh, then I'll write simple script bin bash. So I'll take one simple example, echo enter your choice choice. Now here I'll write the syntax of casein. So case, then variable like choice, then n. Now here look at careful. So now this is 1, suppose case is 1, and then you just write here echo hi, this is Harish. And now this is instead of break in C or CPP, so just write this double semicolon, then second choice, then this echo hi, this is Vihan. This one, suppose one more case I'll write it, hi, this is Priyanka. Now in C or CPP, like default we have simply star here, you can say wrong choice. And again here, like if else, you need to close this casein. So whatever is the reverse letters of case, that you just write here. So E S A C. So this is the closing of this. Now I'll compile this, save it, and on this terminal again I'll write this casein.sh. so this will not run it again, so permission will be denied here. Again change mod plus x casein.sh. now permission will be granted. Now you can run your program. So enter your choice. If my choice is suppose 2, so that output should be hi, this is Vihan, like hi, this is Vihan. If your choice is first, then hi, this is Harish. If your choice is third, hi, this is Priyanka. And if you enter any other choice other than this 1 2 3, so suppose 8, so it should be wrong choice. So this is the very simple example of casein. So hope so you understood how to use that casein and shell scripting. So please like my video, share it. Thank you.